A key witness changed her story, setting off a stunning twist in the trial of former Uvalde CISD officer Adrian Gonzales.
Defense attorneys accuse prosecutors of hiding that information, which could be a Brady violation. That could lead to a mistrial. Rebecca Lopez has more from Corpus Christi.
After a day filled with emotional testimony, it took a dramatic turn. Defense attorneys say that a key witness changed her testimony and that prosecutors may have known about it and did not disclose that, raising questions about a possible Brady violation. Brady requires that prosecutors turn over evidence that could help the defense. If the judge agrees, this could possibly lead to a mistrial. On the first day of testimony, jurors were walked step by step through the moments when gunfire broke out outside Robb Elementary. Jurors heard that emotional 911 call from a pastor who told the court he watched the gunman crash near the funeral home, then began shooting outside the school as he walked towards the campus. But it was the final witness of the day who shifted the direction of the trial and set off a tense exchange in court. A teacher testified she saw the man dressed in black carrying a long rifle on the south end of the school, a detail prosecutors acknowledged she had never previously reported publicly.
You understand how we would be surprised that she testified that she saw him.
Defense attorneys say the testimony places Gonzales in the same area as the shooter, directly conflicting with where they say he was during the attack.
So that would be an important thing for us to know before we started this trial.
Defense attorneys pressed prosecutors, arguing the witnesses may have shared that information months ago and questioned why it was not turned over before trial.
Had you ever heard her say that she had seen him either going into the south side of the building or approaching the south door?
No. Prosecutors responded that the statement was never formally documented and did not stand out at the time.
When we were prepping these witnesses, I was running a law office, and so I was in and out of interviews. So I can't say that she said that and I like, oh my God. You know, it wasn't that type of reaction for me. So that's the best I can say.
Defense attorney Nico LaHood said the defense believes prosecutors were aware of the statement as early as December and that failing to disclose it is serious.
Then the problem that's more troubling is the fact that she told them in December, and they've acknowledged that. And they didn't turn that over.
This trial is something the victims' families have been waiting for a long time. The latest developments have left the families concerned and worried that justice might be delayed. There will be a hearing today where attorneys are expected to hash out all of the allegations about a possible Brady violation outside the presence of the jury, and then a judge was going to determine what happens next. We'll bring you the latest. In Corpus Christi, I'm Rebecca Lopez. Back to you.
Throughout Adrian Gonzales' trial, KVUE will carry live gavel-to-gavel coverage on our streaming platform, KVUE+. Download it on your TV and watch for free.